Education is the most powerful weapon with which you can change the world. Give a man a fish and feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. Hi all, I'm Jaspreet Kaur Bodraj and welcome back to episode 18 of Impacting Lives with Jaspreet. Today I shall be talking on the Indian education system. Education is the key to success. It makes us aware of our knowledge, of our skills, of our behavior, of our ethics. No doubt that you need hard work in order to be successful, but when you add the secret ingredient of education in it, it leads even better and good results. I can recall of an incident when I was in class 4. Our science teacher, instead of conducting classes in the normal classroom, took us outside and made us sit under the mango trees. She asked us to observe nature, observe everything around, so we could see the beautiful sky above, the chirping birds, all the plants. We were very inquisitive, like what is the teacher trying to convey? Later on, the teacher explained us that this is how the ancient children were taught in the Gurukul system of education. So that system of education is something that has an influence and has left a deep impact in today's modern education as well. The school system in India is divided into 4 levels: the lower, the primary, the high and the higher education. And India has the third topmost education system, which it stands after the United States of America and China. And thanks to the father of education, Mr. Horace Mann, for introducing education and making all of us educated. The new education policy year 2020, Modi government announced that instead of that 10 plus 2 levels of education, we'll be having 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2. That means the 12 years of schooling will be inclusive of 2 years of Anganwadi as well as the primary education. So friends, the Indian education is not less than any other foreign country. Today I'll be sharing with you 3 good things about education in India. The first one being world-class education. We all know that India is the cradle of civilization. The foreign travelers who came in India got inspiration. They acquired so much of knowledge from Indians. The second point, which is good about India regarding the education system, is the frontline institutions. To name a few, Xavier's family, the Xavier's fraternity, Tatas, IITs, IIMs. So India is blessed to have all these prestigious institutions. Students from outside world also come to India to receive education. The third good thing about India is about the study options with minimum cost. We have ample widespread study options. After class 10, when a student has to choose between science, commerce, arts, the students has ample options to take any subject and study in future. So friends, instead of going to foreign countries to receive education, we can be in India, be an add-on to the economy of India and receive quality education here. So friends, education is the passport to the future. For tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Thank you for listening to me. If you like my video, hit on the like button, share and subscribe, and let's impact lives together. Thank you.